Hi, welcome to AI Lessons for Kids with AI Erik. Let's get started.
Hey there, future tech wizards. Welcome to lesson number 6. Today we're diving into machine learning, the amazing way computers learn to recognize things like cats. Let's teach the computer to spot a cat. We'll show it lots of cat pictures and say, this is a cat. Then we show other like dogs or socks and say, this is not a cat. That's how it learns. Let's explore how we can teach a computer to tell the difference between cats and, well, everything else. Machine learning is how computers learn from examples instead of being programmed with exact rules. It's like how you learn to recognize animals by seeing lots of examples, not by memorizing a list of features. The more examples the computer sees, the smarter it gets. The computer makes its best guess for each training image. Is this a cat? Then it checks if its guess was right or wrong. Each time it's wrong, it adjusts its thinking. I thought those pointy ears meant cat, but that was a rabbit. I need to look for more cat features together.
Mr. AI Erik, do machines make mistakes?
Sometimes our machine makes mistakes. It might think a furry hat is a cat or miss a cat that's partly hidden. That's okay. We can give it more training examples to help it improve. Even the best AI systems make mistakes sometimes. Now comes the cool part. The computer analyzes thousands of labeled pictures looking for patterns. It notices things like cats have pointy ears, whiskers, certain shaped eyes, and fur. It's learning what makes a cat look like a cat. To teach our machine to spot cats, we first need to gather lots of pictures. We need many different cat photos: orange cats, black cats, sleeping cats, playing cats. And we also need pictures of things that aren't cats: dogs, rabbits, toy cars, flowers, and people. After training, we test our cat spotting machine with brand new pictures it's never seen before. We show it a cat picture. Does it say cat? Great. We show it a flower. Does it say not cat? Perfect. This tells us how well our machine has learned. Cat spotting is just one example of machine learning. Similar technology helps phones recognize your face, email systems filter out spam, video games adjust to your level, and social media apps suggest friends. Machine learning is everywhere. 1. Remember, AI has limitations. Even smart machine learning systems make mistakes and have blind spots. 2. Garbage in, garbage out. If we train AI with poor or biased examples, it will make poor or biased decisions. 3. Keep improving your AI. The best machine learning systems keep learning from new examples. 4. Humans are still in charge. You decide how and when to use AI tools. They're helpers, not decision makers. 5. Question the results. Always think critically about what an AI tells you. Your human judgment matters. Great job today, tech wizards. This lesson helped you understand machine learning, how computers get smart by learning from examples. We used the fun example of spotting cats to show how AI trains, learns, makes mistakes, and keeps getting better. But remember, this is just the beginning. These same ideas are used in real life. From face unlock on phones to game opponents that learn how you play. You're now on the path to understanding how machines think and how you can guide them to be even smarter and kinder. Okay, kids, thanks for learning. This is lesson number 6. I'll see you at lesson number 7.